Today we are going to discuss some formulas of the chapter structure of the atom for chemistry section. Our chapter is structure of the atom. Since it is a chapter of physical chemistry, so we have to discuss many more formulas that will be helpful for your board examination, also JEE and NEET examination. Then first, our formula is first formula is radius. So as we know that the radius of an atom is 2.18 into 10 to the power 6 z by n meter. Z by n meter. Is it so? No. This is 2.18 10 to the power 6 z by n meter per second. We have to start with velocity. And our second formula is about radius. We will discuss radius in angstrom, that is 0.529 n square by z angstrom. You can also convert this into picometer. Let's say what this angstrom 0.529 52.9 n square by z picometer. This is 10 to the power 1 meter equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter, and for picometer you know that picometer is 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Then there is a difference of two zeros, so that's the decimal point shifts to after two place. third one is third one third one is total energy. Total energy is always negative since the atom is an bound system. So the total energy comes with negative minus 13.6 n square by z square. This comes in ev, and if the question ask about total energy in joule, so then you have to convert this energy that comes in ev into joule. You should know that 1 ev equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. That's an unit of conversion. Easy. Third formula is about azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number. We denote azimuthal quantum number with L, and and we know that principal quantum number, we denote principal quantum number with n. So for s and for p, for d and f, we have to remember the azimuthal quantum number. For s it is 0, p1, d2 and f3. This is the azimuthal quantum number for subcells. Okay, the next formula is orbital angular momentum. Our next formula is orbital angular momentum. You have to learn that that's azimuthal quantum number 0, 1, 2, 3 can never be negative. Can never be negative. Okay. Fourth one is orbital angular momentum. For orbital angular momentum, we denote under root s plus 1 h upon 2 pi. Okay, and fifth one is magnetic quantum number. Okay, sorry, this is not orbital angular momentum. Actually, this is spin. No, you can say this is orbital angular momentum. So orbital angular momentum we have to denote not with, this is spin multiplicity, we have to replace this with L. For if question asks you 3p, what is the orbital angular momentum of 3p, so you have to find what is the value of p. Value of p is 1. You have to just replace 1 into 1 plus 1 h by 2 pi, like that. Okay, the fifth and now we discuss the next formula in second part.